Okay, here is our revised drawings. Let me hide these. All right, so these corner cabinets, your cooktops here, narrower drawer stack, about 10 inches, and these two doors will be bound together. So we have just pizza slice shape cabinets on the corners here. So this cabinet will open up. There's a tray divider on this side and shelves here. This one does not have a partition. It's just all open shelving. To show you what that looks like a little bit closer. Here's the drawer stack, cooktop. So this will be the tray divider here. And then just little odd adjustable shelves here. Looking straight down on it. The depth of that from behind the door to the back is 21 inches. On this right side, it's a bit shorter, obviously. It's down to 16. But, I mean, you will still have tray divider storage in this cabinet. And this one is same cabinet outline, just does not have a divider here. Those are the only changes I made. All right, thank you.